Nightmare Holdout 3. Let's take it down. First, we're going to bring in the Devon. Put him on hold. 17 Wastelanders. Now we're just going to spread them out. And they will kill the base for you. Where do we need extra help? We got, okay, that's it. Get them all in place. That's all the Wastelanders. And I put him on hold. Move him into the middle. Put him on hold. All right, there's a buggy shooting at us, so we got to go kill that buggy. That's all we're doing is whenever you see a buggy, go kill it. That'll quicken up. There's another one up there. I can't see it because it's hidden behind here, but it's up there. He'll kill it. When he's done, I'll bring him back. Okay, he's not what I thought he was. Send him up. Yeah, he's just one of the additional troops you get. Okay, good. That's done. He's done. Bring him back. Put them all on hold. Oh, there's a buggy right there. Oh, it's done. That's it. You just sit there and wait. It's just this easy. Whenever one of the prizes come up, you kill it. It'll give you more guys that'll help fight. But just be patient. Your Wastelanders are awesome. They kill everything. And they get minimal damage. Basically, just watch the outside for the little zombie throwing buggies. And you send one Wastelander out to kill it. Other than that, just sit and wait. And rack up XP to get whatever you need. Right now, there's one right there. Right there's one, and there's one over there. Where else is there one? When you see zombies flying, you know there's one over there. Guess that's it. Put them all on hold. Oh, there's one. Going down fast. Dead. Wave 2's done. Oh, got all these guys in the middle I'm not using. Pay attention. Just watch the outskirts. Who might show up? I mean, this is like the most difficult base ever. I have to do so much work to kill it. I hope I succeed. Oh, there's a bug. Nope, that was one of your yellow guys. We'll get a few more buggies. I think this ends with 2 or 3 buggies. But as you can see, they're very easy to kill. There's a buggy. And there's a buggy. There's usually a buggy up here somewhere. That's it. Just that easy. Just that quick. What did we get? 3,500,000. Event. Corpus. Let's take them back and repair them. And then we'll do a bonus base. Nightmare Holdout bonus. You're coming next. Let's see how much damage. And in essence, you're going to have 0 damage. Because once you get in there, take me to my platoon. Okay, 19 minutes. You don't have 19 minutes repair. Okay, 2 of them took a little bit of damage. "23 seconds." And then the other one, a minute and a half total. So you got a minute's worth of damage. But if you got extras, you don't have to wait at all. Now you're ready to fight again. All right, go and do